All right, I want to talk to you guys about something that's really important on your Mini, and that is the battery ground, and maintaining and charging your battery. So come on over here. I want to show you what we do to every single Mini that comes in the shop. Is we add these battery grounds and we add these battery cutoff switches, okay? Why do we change the battery ground? Because if you can see this one here, this is what they all look like. They're old, they're making bad contact, and they're just replace it. This is inexpensive and it's worth it because you need to have a good ground. Now, when you park your Mini over the winter or when you park it for long periods of time, let's just say a month or more, really you need to turn the battery off. And this is a battery cutoff switch, and it has this American flag in the center, and this is the black knob. So these are made in the USA. They don't have the green knob. Now, I've sold a lot of the green knob once, and we had to warranty them because they were cracking right here and stranding the customers on the side of the road. So spend a little more money for the USA made one and you won't have any problems. That's really important. So once your battery's off and you have your Mini parked, you really need to put an intelligent charger on there. This is a smart charger. This is not a trickle charger. These are made by C-Tech. This is the MXS 5.0 model, and we love these things. I put them on every single one of my cars. What do you get in the bag? Well, you get this little pigtail right here that you can put directly on the battery, and then you have this quick little connect, and you plug it in the wall, and you plug that in, and voila, you're off and running and charging. In the bag, you also get these alligator clips, so you're not limited to just the one battery, but you can use your smart charger on all of your batteries in all your different vehicles. So we did package this on our website in a master kit, so you get the charger, the battery cutoff, and the battery ground, and they're available at jetmotorsmini.com. So go to the website, get yourself a kit like this, and put it on your Mini right away. You'll be glad you did.